Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up user testing account for paid website reviews, detailed guide step by step clearly. Go to the user testing website. Click on the sign up button. Select the option for businesses or organizations. Fill in your email address and create a password. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Get Started button. Check your email for a verification message from UserTesting. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the UserTesting site and log in with your credentials. Complete your profile by entering your company information. Select your job title and the type of user testing you need. Set up your payment method to start receiving paid reviews. Add your website URL for testing. Explore the various testing options available. Choose the type of test that best suits your needs, such as website or app testing. Decide on the number of participants you want for the test. Customize the testing tasks you want participants to perform. Preview your test setup to ensure everything is correct. Finalize your test parameters and click Launch Test. Wait for participants to complete the tasks. Review the feedback and insights provided by the testers. Use the data to improve your website's user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.